You searched how to buy shares of Anterix Inc. Anterix is a company offering private wireless spectrum and solutions for utility communications, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ATEX. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will typically need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds to your balance before you can trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ATX to find Anterix Inc. Confirm you select the listing on NASDAQ so you open the correct stock page. On the Anterix stock page, you will see a brief company profile and a price chart. Check the company name, listing venue, and ticker to confirm this is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, and choose your order type, then review all details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next market session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will request a deposit before allowing confirmation. After the order executes, your Anterix position will appear in your portfolio. A link to the example broker is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this walkthrough.